Miss Merglin Morris, please be aware that I'll be serving summons on you to take to court for my rent. Your lawyer, Mr. Hugh, wrote me to say that I defamated your character after I've been trying to reach to you more than a year for my rent. You owe me $400,000. I rented you my house for $40,000 a month, and you pay 1 month rent. 3-bedroom house, fully furnished, and you pay 1 month rent. Please be advised, I try reaching out to you. You don't respond, you block me. I respond to your lawyer did not respond to me. And please be advised that I am now in Jamaica sick. See? I am unable to work, and you already would have known my cancer story and all of that. I can't work, and I need my money. I try every avenue to get to you. So Miss Merglin Morris from Hill Run, Spanish Town, please be known, I'll be taking you to court for my money. I don't know how else to reach to you again, so a summons will come to you shortly for my $400,000. You're a manager, you work at a financial institution, you're a manager, and it's not that you don't have any money. I went to Canada, slave like a hell, slave for pay for my house. I don't get anything free. It wasn't a house that I capture. It wasn't a house that was handed down freely. I had to pay housing trust every month for their mortgage. And you went into my house, August, and you live in my house between August 2023 to, I think, April 2024. Either April or May, thereabout. And you pay 1 month rent. So please take note. And for those of you who are telling me that, oh, Jamaica, a bad place, be careful. I will die for what is mine. Because if I live, she have to pay her rent. And if I die, she have to pay her rent. I am willing to die for what is mine. Right now, my rent in Canada, my landlord have $200,000 Jamaican dollars for me right now, deposit, that she not giving me back. A 3 place me live in Canada where them have me deposit and don't give me back. Yeah? So nobody no play with me with them things. So me not play with nobody with my things either. So please, ma'am, please make arrangement with me to pay me my money. Get your lawyer ready, because we are going to court for my rent. I don't know where to find you again. It's over 1 year now you don't communicate with me. So please be advised that you will be going to court for my rent.